First of all, you have to come Remitly website for sending money to Bangladesh, okay? And then you have to select it send money after selecting sending to Bangladesh. And then you will see a form like this. You have to fill up this form for sending money to Bangladesh. You have to select it the amount, how much do you want to send, and scroll down. Then you can see the delivery method. How do you send the money to your recipient? If you are sending money by mobile banking or bank deposit or cash pickup, so select on out of these three options. So I am selecting bank deposit, and then payment method. How would you like to pay to your recipient? By debit card or credit card or bank account? Selected this bank account. Now you have to select your recipient bank. So simply we can search here, like I am sending to Midland Bank. So I'm searching for Midland Bank. Yeah, I got it. Now simply put here your bank account recipient number and routing number and continue. And then you have to write here your recipient first name and last name, and then continue. You can put here your recipient mobile number for getting transfer update, and then continue. And now you have to select it why are you sending money to your recipient. So selected this on payment per service and then continue. And now you have to put your personal details for sending money to your recipient. After that you have to click continue, and then you have to follow the next step for sending money to recipient.